Yo, what is up, fam? Thanks once again for tuning into the channel. So once again, I'm really sorry for this really late upload, but this is a video basically about me talking to you guys out at the Kickz Stand. It's more than just sneakers event out in Sydney. It happened around a week ago and I had so much fun doing it that I had to actually upload it for you guys on my channel. I've already released some reels of it on my Instagram, so go check that out if you want. Shout out to the guys from the Sneaker Laundry and shout out to Jay and the crew from the Kickz Stand for making it all happen. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of the actual interviews. If you want me to do more for you guys in the future, let me know in the comments below. Anyway guys, let's get into the video.
Make it look short, you Finn. How do you get a sense of community coming to the TKS event?
I think it's grown so much over the last, what are we now, nearly 9 years?
Yeah.
10 years next year. Starting in a small group here in Sydney, and then obviously now it's grown to the international, really. Yeah. I've got guys overseas and that. And it just brings everyone together. That's the main thing.
That's good, man. I like your answers because they're short and sweet.
I'm a man of few words.
Okay, I think I've known Jay for a really long time.
Yeah.
I think I sold him a pair of shoes when I was like 18 or something. What I love about this is like, there's none of that like cool factor.
Yeah.
Which is kind of like, if that makes sense. No one here is trying to be too cool for other people. It's just like, you've got kids, you got people that have been in the sneakers for a long time, you got new kids that are into like all the hype stuff, but it's like, that's okay. Like, and I think I'm at an age now where I don't care about any of that shit. It's like, if you like it, you like it, and there's no judgment. That's all it is.
I guess what everyone has in common, so shoes, I guess.
Yeah, so me myself, I have really big feet, so I'm like a size 12, 13 and above, and I only really get to buy sneakers at events like this. So people who are similar sizes, we can all get together and, you know, share shoes, buy stuff that we like, because usually when I hit up a local Foot Locker, it's like, you can buy this pair or this pair in your size, so I love it like that.
Big footers unite, I like that.
I just love going here, it's just enjoyable, you know. It's something I go every week usually, so.
Okay, cool.
So, community sense when it comes to it's more than just sneakers, it's for community by community. The thing about that is like, we're not trying to charge you crazy prices to get in. We're not like glitz and glamour, we're all about getting people that love shoes, that love like street culture together, bring them together. You never know, like we may not have talked on the street. Exactly. Because we're from two different walks of life, but now we're having a conversation, you get me?
Exactly.
So that's community to me. We all love sneakers, we all love fashion, we all love street culture. And it's what brings us together.
That's it, perfect answer, bro.
This is my first actually.
Oh really?
Yeah.
How do you feel about like seeing everyone?
It's cool, like all the different sneakers that people collect and everything, and like the vintage ones.
Okay.
It's nice.
Like you, bro?
I mean, yeah, we flew over from Adelaide for this.
Oh, really?
So, yeah, I missed the Adelaide one because I had COVID, so it was cool to be able to come over, and it's obviously a bit bigger than the Adelaide one, but it's really cool to see everyone together. So, yeah.
This is our second time.
Oh, really?
We've been here on February, right?
I think so, something like that. Yeah.
Second time. So it's good to be in the community.
Yeah, that's good. How about you?
Yeah. So at here we can see every kind of age that we can unite here, seeing in the same scene, having good time together.
Oh, that's good.
Most important, we get the bargain price.
That's it.
So, but me, easy. You can find what you shoe, what you want.
Yeah. What's your most unique sneaker that not a lot of people have?
White Flip Jordan 3s from 2007.
White Flip Jordan 3s. So the opposite of black flips. I don't think I've ever seen that before, man. You're
I've got a pair.
Yeah.
They've been restored, but obviously yellowing on the back heel.
Yeah.
I've worn them once. And I've had them since 07.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh man, I definitely got to see that, man.
Oh, okay. I have a pair of Troops that are from the 80s, OG. Most of you guys don't even know that brand.
Right.
LL Cool J used to be signed with them, and I got them at Paddy's Market from this Asian guy. I didn't know what they were. He sold them to me for $20, and they're like just super random.
I know some of the boys in Melbourne have got sneakers that are like 105 or 101. I'm unfortunately not that lucky. 99 white cement 4s.
99, hey, not a lot of people wear those. There you go, man.
Wearable.
Hey.
At the moment, my Velcro Alexander McQueen's.
Oh, nice.
My What the LeBron 11s.
Oh, yeah.
Probably. I haven't seen anyone else wear them on the court. I haven't seen anyone else wear them in public. Probably either those.
Nice.
Yeah, definitely painted them and then put them up on a pedestal.
They were a grail of mine when I was a kid. Like when they came out, I remember trying to hit on them and I never got them. So when I eventually got them, it was like my grail.
All right, next. Who is your sneaker celebrity crush?
Oh, Mark Wahlberg.
Mark, yeah, now
Marky Mark.
He's
has to be Mark, man. That guy, heat galore.
I thought you were talking about his body, but he's that thing about his kids trying to sell his sneakers.
For your kids to be selling your shoes, it's like, that's crossing the line.
Yeah, man, definitely. Man.
Sneaker crush. It's weird because it'd probably be a dude because I don't watch that much like sneaker girl YouTube. Maybe JLP because he's got like the dream like Joe Puma. Like he's just got the dream setup. It'd be that or Maya because he's like just OG.
Oh my gosh, yeah, bro.
I remember reading magazines of Maya back when he was like big before he lost all the weight.
Yeah.
And he was just like the Air Force guy. Like he just had everything.
Yeah.
He still has everything.
Richie Lee? Nah. Richie Lee? Oh yeah, he's a celebrity. Okay, he passes, yeah.
PJ Tucker.
Yeah. Oh my God, oh my God.
He has the most rare kicks, I swear.
Yeah,
especially Kobe's.
Okay, he's pretty undefeated right now in terms of the kind of sneakers.
I have to give it up to PJ Tucker.
I have to give it up to
PJ Tucker? Yeah, bro.
Whoa. Perfect pair, Kenny G. He's we're the same size of sneaker.
Oh, really?
We've got really similar
really?
tastes when it comes to sneakers. We're all about wearing our shoes. You know me personally, so you know I like Jordan 4s.
Yeah.
I've got like nearly every Jordan 4 that's been released. And he had those pairs that I wanted, you know, like the original UNC 4s.
Got everything, bro.
You know, he had the Oregon 4s in all colorways. Like, he had stuff that I could only wish and dream about, and we're the same size. And his African thing is, wear your kicks.
Exactly. Young boys and girls out there, you heard it here, man. Wear your kicks, please.
If you can see my shoes, they're my beaters. I'm wearing Black Cat 4s, and I'm beating the shit out of them.
That's it, man.
Don't let
That's
them
it.
sell on StockX for $1,100. Wear them.
And that's so sweet.
But like when we talk about like Mount Rushmore,
Yeah.
sneakers, right? You have to put Perfect Pair up there. You have to put Mayer up there. Clark Kent up there.
Yeah.
DJ Kent Street. So the original ATF boys, Addicted to Fresh.
I trust you, bro. I need to look that. I need to look that up. Okay.
Kais Omar.
Kais? Okay.
He's the only person I can really think of right now. The bold guy that plays golf a lot.
Charles Buckley.
Could be Charles. Nah.
Oh, Kusto.
Yeah,
Kusto. Yeah.
Him, definitely him.
Yeah, he's really good too.
I'm thinking of Justin's wife, but I forgot her name.
Justin Bieber?
Yeah, his wife. Hailey.
Hailey Baldwin.
Hailey Bieber. Yeah.
My celebrity crush for sneaker. I think it sounds a bit weird, but BJ Outlaw is the best.
What's your rainy day sneaker?
MX 90s.
MX 90s?
Yeah.
Why?
Comfortable. I wear them to work all the time. They're good when I'm in the warehouse doing warehouse stuff. Can't go wrong.
Okay, cool. Thanks, man. Thanks,
bro.
Gore-Tex Air Force One.
Which color?
Probably the cream.
Yeah, that's what I got, bro. Yeah, man. Those are
And
good,
like
man.
every time I'm like, if it's raining or something, I just chuck those on. They're easy, they get smashed, and they're still good.
Exactly, right, man?
And they kind of slip on.
Yeah, man. And they match with anything. That's what I love, man. Match with anything. Don't care about they get dirty and all this kind of stuff. It's just perfect.
Yeah,
man.
Gore-Tex Air Force Ones.
That's it, bro. Hey, thank you so much, man.
Something dark, so maybe these purple canyons.
I'd probably say Stan Smith.
So mine would be like anything made out of leather so that I can clean it really easily. So usually I'll throw on like Air Forces, something simple.
Very wise.
So I would do like Air Forces or Dunks. Because like I don't want to like mess up my drip, you know.
Panda Dunks, yeah.
Panda Dunks would be great.
Oh my God, man.
They're beautiful, man. That's why everyone's wearing it.
Beautiful? Is it beautiful? What's beautiful about it?
Like, okay, so
The rating.
I'm not that big into all those flashy colors and that, you know what I'm saying? I like it simple. Goes, name one fit, Panda Dunks don't go with that fit. That's what I'm saying, man. That's what I'm saying.
It's like the next Air Force.
But there's no story behind it. That's the thing. There's no like.
But it's swag.
There's no swag in it.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to drip like those ones.
If you're gonna wear something every day, plain white Air Forces are boring. So you change it up slightly.
And you get Panda Dunks.
Instead of just salt, you salt and pepper, you know what I'm saying? You spice it up a little bit.
Wait, how much did you pay for that?
I got a pretty good deal. It was only $250.
It's not bad. That's probably why he's really selling it right now, because he just bought it. You know, he has to like.
Bread 11.
Why Bread 11s?
Hayden,
I guess so.
how much more waterproof do you want to be?
I know, but like, I feel like he gets more streaky. All right, yeah, he's right. Thank you so much, and enjoy the rest of your day.
Did you just wear anything?
Yeah, I don't, yeah.
My dresser.
They get wet, they get wet.
And panda dunks.
Oh my god, another one, guys.
There's so many of them everywhere. We have a game we play, like how many panda dunks can you spot when you're out? I think the highest we got to was around 27.
27?
In 1 outing.
I haven't got that high, but that's a lot. In Sydney, wait, Sydney or in Adelaide?
In Adelaide.
In Adelaide?
In Adelaide, they're everywhere.
Oh my goodness.
My Solomons are my rainy day. Because they're attractive shoes, so they get dirty and it's fine. Yeah, my Solomons.
That's pretty good. I like that. I think that's a really good grab. Solomon's on the come up, so yeah.
I went on that hype train.
Thank you very much, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Easy slide.
Easy slide, okay.
Yeah, I think easy slide too.
No, I don't have.
But if you go out and raid, you should have put the here.
Exactly, yeah.
Maybe bring plastic bag.
Okay, thank you very much, guys. Please enjoy the rest of your day. Okay.
Yo, so thanks once again for watching this video, guys. I hope you had some fun, because I know I did. I had a huge laugh with all the guys there at Sydney, and yeah, I can't wait to do it again for you guys. Anyway, guys, thank you once again for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.